Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching the Artscape pen. It took me more than 10 takes to just come here, say hello to you all and shoot this video because it feels so weird talking in front of the camera after an eternity, I'd say. Yes, this is another video. Welcome to another video of me showing up after a long time. I am not going to give any excuse this time. It's just that it's life, you gotta figure out everything. So sometimes it's not possible for, balancing professional life and your personal life. I just finished my graduation, so many of you who don't know. And then past 2 months have been very hectic for me to, just sort out colleges, where to go in and, all that stuff. You know the drill, right? How's life after graduation? And yeah, it was pretty hectic. I'm not complaining. I just wanted to come here and let you all know about my whereabouts and all of that stuff. Finally, I am back and let's welcome the month of December, the most magical time of the year. So let's welcome December with so much more positivity and good vibes, and let's hope for a better 2022. So I just got into this outfit just to give that Christmas feels. And also these past 2 months my reading space was also empty. I didn't read much books and I completely regret that because I had so much time, I would say, like so much time as in मतलब वो भागम भाग में मतलब ऐसा टाइम नहीं मिलता था just to shoot and edit and upload. See, the thing is I wanted to shoot, right? मतलब मेरा मन कर रहा था कि मैं शूट करूं. It's just that वो अंदर से वो फीलिंग नहीं आ रही थी all that energy कि आके शूट करो, then you have to edit the video, then upload, because I didn't want you to see a video where I'm completely all drained out of my energy and वो energy नहीं रहती है वीडियो में तो क्या मजा आएगा, right? आप लोग समझ सकते हो. तो या उसी चीज़ के लिए I was not completely into making YouTube videos for these past month. So that's why I waited it out. I waited for everything to settle down, for everything to settle in place. Now that I'm finally at peace, I thought to just welcome December with some new fresh videos on my channel so that you all can enjoy. So yeah, that's that. And also you have already read by the title of today's video, I'm also going to how many times I'm going to say also? Grammar thoda sa रूठा हुआ है. So, and also Hindi. Oh my god, you guys, see, this video is a chit chat video. The second half of the video is about books. Yes, let me just give an intro about that. क्यों नहीं आप फिर बोर होते रहोगे and then मैं बक बक करती रहूंगी. तो इससे बेहतर है कि just let me give you a gist. So the second half of this video is about some books, some very short reads that I sorted out with love for you all, so that you can just grab in your cozy jackets, your blankets, and then you can just read these books and get in the vibe of Christmas. Because why not, right? We love Christmas, we love this time of the year, so why not read books? Why not read such short stories which emphasize on the beauty of Christmas, all the Christmas traditions and all of that. तो मैंने कुछ books sort out करी हैं आप सभी के लिए, so that you can just get in and read those books. या थोड़ा सा chit chat कर लेते हैं क्योंकि मुझे बात करने का बड़ा मन कर रहा है because I'm back after so long. So the thing is, मुझे बहुत सारे comments आए. Hate comments are very less in compared to the love that you all give me, which I'm very grateful and thankful for. I am so happy to have this space with such amazing people like you. कुछ hate comments मैंने पढ़े. Constructive criticism एक चीज होती है and then you just throw everything in the face without realizing the effect. तो बहुत सारे लोगों ने बोला and I take it. The thing is, हिंदी में बात करना, देखो मुझे हिंदी आती है, मैं बोल सकती हूँ, बट जब मैं वीडियो बनाना शुरू करती हूँ ना, आई राइट में स्क्रिप्ट्स, लाइक स्क्रिप्ट्स क्या मतलब ऐसे जो पॉइंटर्स होते हैं कि मुझे ये चीज बोलनी है, सो दैट आई डोंट फॉरगेट. तो मैंने वो चीज लिखी है बकायदा, एंड दैट थिंग आई कांट राइट इन हिंदी, राइट? मतलब वो चीज जैसे मैं बुक्स के बारे में कुछ बोल रही हूँ, अब ऐसे कुछ स्टोरीज होंगी, ऐसे कुछ वर्ड्स होंगे जो मुझे इंग्लिश में बोलना पड़ेगा. तो इट्स लाइक वो एक मोल्ड जैसा बन चुका है, एंड हिंदी में बात करने में मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट दैट फील नहीं आती, मतलब समझ रहे हो आप लोग. तो या दैट्स दैट. तो इसीलिए जब मैं स्क्रिप्ट लिखती हूँ अपनी, स्क्रिप्ट क्या मतलब ऐसा कोई स्क्रिप्ट नहीं होता है, मतलब जो चीज मुझे बोलनी है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम गिविंग ए बुक रिव्यू, तो मुझे क्या क्या पॉइंटर्स इंक्लूड करने हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम गिविंग टिप्स अबाउट फोटोग्राफी, तो मुझे क्या क्या इंक्लूड करना है, ठीक है? तो वो चीज रहती है. तो दैट्स व्हाई वो इंग्लिश में जब शुरू करती हूँ वो फिर इंग्लिश में ही चला जाता है. अभी आई नो सम ऑफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू ग्रैब दोस थिंग्स, सो फॉर यू ऑल आई एम स्टार्टिंग टू जस्ट इंक्लूड सम बिट्स ऑफ हिंदी in my sentences, if that makes sense. I hope you like the videos from now on. Without any more chit chat, let's get into the second half of this video, which you all are waiting for. I know that. Some very good Christmas reads, to just get in the feel. Yes. Let's take a look at what all books I have in the store for you so that you can all enjoy Christmas along. Let's go. So the first recommendation that I have for you is The Christmas Eve by Washington Irving. It's actually a narration from an old sketchbook by Washington Irving and so many other authors. So before Charles Dickens, we all know Charles Dickens and his works, it's phenomenal. So before Charles Dickens introduced his literature around the world, Washington Irving was introducing his take on Christmas traditions to the world. He was the Christmas laureate. उन्होंने जो book लिखी है, it's about all the Christmas traditions, all the old Christmas traditions. इसमें बहुत सारे ऐसे old Christmas traditions के बारे में बताया गया जो आज भी बहुत सारे parts of the world में follow किए जा रहे हैं. For example, Christmas carols at people's doorsteps, mistletoe and the famous Yule log जो आज भी बहुत सारे ऐसे parts में follow किए जा रहे हैं. Washington Irving has written so beautifully all the traditions, you know, reflecting about all the traditions, all the Christmas feels. So मतलब आपको वो feel आएगी कि you know you are reading it and you are experiencing it. So I really love the way it was portrayed. It feels like a poetry, you know. So it's a very good book. You must get your hands on that and just get the Christmas feels going. Moving on to the second recommendation, which is The Fir Tree by Hans Christian Andersen. It's a very, very beautifully written book. Actually, all these are very short stories. You can just finish it in one sitting if you are a keen reader. So this book, The Fir Tree, is written by Hans Christian Andersen and it's a book about a small fir tree जो अपने height को लेके काफी conscious है and he wants to, you know, grow old and, you know, tall. So the fir tree that I'm talking about, he's preoccupied with the notion that he has to grow up and he feels completely embarrassed when a hare hops over him, you know, due to his stature and height. मतलब होता है ना कि हम लोग भी कभी-कभी अपने height को लेके काफी conscious हो जाते हैं. Like not only height, so many other things sometimes we are conscious of, right? So this is about a fir tree who is conscious about, you know, growing up, you know, compared to other trees that are being around in the forest. About a fir tree who is so anxious to grow up, who is so anxious for greater things, you know, उसको बहुत सारी life में ऐसी चीजें चाहिए जो शायद दूसरों को मिल रही है. So you know, in that quest of that anxiousness of growing up, of longing for greater things, he does not appreciate the little things, loses everything in life, and how he learns a lesson about appreciating all the things that we have. Because you know, आजकल social media की जिंदगी में we look forward to anything and हमने कुछ ऐसी चीजें देख ली and then we are constantly running after it. You know, हम उस चीज को appreciate नहीं करते जो हमारे पास already है. Definitely give this book a try. It shows the Christmas traditions of decorating the fir trees and, you know, relating to that. Give this book a definite read. Let's move on to the third recommendation, which is The Gift of the Maggie by O. Henry. So it tells the story about Jim and Della Dillingham, who are very much in love with each other. You know, the couple has very little money and they live in a very modest apartment. The story revolves around how they love each other so much that they want to gift each other some really precious gifts. The story ends with a comparison of Jim and Della's gifts to the gifts of the Magi, that Magi or the three wise men who gave baby Jesus a gift in the manger in the biblical story of Christmas. And the underlying point that's mentioned in the story is so heart touching, you know, shows that Jim and Della were much wiser than the three wise men because their gifts were born out of love and affection for each other, you know, because those who give out of love and self-sacrifice, they are truly wise. They understand the meaning of, you know, self-giving. They actually live it, right? The story has such a beautiful essence that, you know, it just touched my heart while I was reading it and I thoroughly enjoyed it. So you should definitely give this book a try. I thought to, you know, include all these recommendations at the start of this December when I'm putting up this video because, you know, you have all this month to just buy these books and, you know, read for yourself. So yeah, and if you trust my recommendations, then please go with these books and you'll love it and you'll have a gala time. Moving on to the fourth recommendation, which is tada, A Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens, the OG, right? Actually, you have seen this book in one of the book hauls. If you haven't seen that video, don't worry, I'll link everything in the description box below in case you have missed any of my videos in the past. So I have told in that book haul that I am keeping this book for the Christmas time. So actually I haven't started this book yet and I thought to just include this in the recommendation video because why not? क्योंकि मैं बना ही रही हूँ तो why not include this one. This book is about a miserly old businessman जो काफी solitary life जीता है and how his interaction with other citizens in the city turns into a self-isolating situation and how he transforms from a miserly greedy man to a nice, kind and compassionate man. And also there are so many other books. If you need that, then I'll list them in the description box below so that you can just take a look and decide for yourself whether you like it or not. So yeah, I thought to just include all of my favorites in this video and I did. And let me know if you like this video and comment down below your thoughts of me showing up after an eternity. I know I appreciate the patience that you all have for me. I am so grateful for you. And also इस महीने काफी Christmas related content आ रहा है. Lastly, please subscribe to my channel and hit the post notifications icon so that you'll get notified every time I upload something new on my channel. And please share with your friends or family or anybody who might need this video or any other videos on my channel. I would really appreciate your efforts. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Till then, take good care of yourself, stay happy and stay healthy and have a very enjoyable Christmas prep. Bye.